Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. You need to begin by holding your device's screen. After that, select icons at the bottom and swipe left or right on this icon slider in order to adjust the size of them. You can check out preview above. When you finished, to save your changes, hit apply at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!